The world was never quiet. From the first moments of human evolution, the roar of giants echoed across the land. Dinosaurs never went extinct, and humans never walked alone. Theirs was a world of survival and adaptation, where the clever mind of man met the raw power of prehistoric beasts. Children learned to run alongside raptors, mimicking their swift turns and sudden bursts of speed. Tribes built homes not on the ground, but in colossal trees or suspended cliffs, high enough to avoid the stomping feet of sauropods and the snaring claws of predators. Fire was precious, but noise was more dangerous. A careless shout could summon a curious or hungry pack from the shadows. Over generations, humans adapted in remarkable ways. Eyes grew sharper, reflexes faster, and instincts deeper. They learned to track patterns in the movements of dinosaurs, to communicate with gestures, calls, and even subtle scents. In some valleys, humans rode the smaller dinosaurs, weaving through forests like fleets of living ships, their skill passed down from parent to child. Civilizations arose cautiously. Stone villages were fortified with walls shaped to deflect massive tails and reinforced against crushing weight. Sacred rituals honored the giants, festivals celebrating the births of herbivores, or marking the dangerous migrations of carnivores. Dinosaurs were not pets. They were allies, teachers, and constant threats. Yet conflict was inevitable. Tribes competed for the best nesting grounds and for hunting territories. Sometimes humans used fire and clever traps to drive predators away, but the dinosaurs always returned, cleverer, faster, and more unpredictable. Survival was a dance between respect and cunning. In the distant mountains, some humans observed the flight of pterosaurs and dreamed of building wings, learning to navigate the air as the beast did. In rivers and lakes, giant aquatic reptiles were both fearsome hunters and mysterious companions, shaping the migration and settlement of human communities. Despite danger, beauty thrived. Morning mist rolled through valleys where dinosaurs grazed peacefully beside human families. Night skies were alive with glowing eyes and the haunting calls of distant beasts. Children grew up with awe and fear intertwined, understanding instinctively the rhythms of this ancient, living world. When strangers arrived, new tribes, new species of dinosaurs, humans and their allies adjusted. Languages evolved to include words for every species, gestures for every warning, songs for every triumph. Empathy grew not just between humans, but between all creatures sharing the same Earth. And so life continued, a delicate balance. Humans never dominated the planet. Dinosaurs never disappeared. Theirs was a world of cooperation and vigilance, where every step, every glance, every heartbeat mattered. And in this coexistence, humanity learned humility, courage, and the wonder of living in a world truly alive with giants.